Prime Minister Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob today handed over cash aid from the National Disaster Management Agency Nadma to 1,012 victims of the Baling flood tragedy. The victims personally received RM1,000 each at a Doa Selamat event for the flood victims, as well as in conjunction with the 65th National Day celebration in Teluk Durian, Kupang. The Prime Minister said although he was in Turkey when the floods occurred, he had deployed his political secretary to the scene to deliver RM1,000 cash aid to each of the 2,500 flood victims. He told reporters at a press conference. One of the recipients, Zainul Saleh, 69, described the donation and getting to meet the Prime Minister as a pleasant surprise. Meanwhile, Salmah Saari, 64, hoped the PM's visit would mean that the problems faced by the villagers would soon end.
Ainun Nuha binti Nur Zabidi, Najibah binti Abdullah, Syahidatul Amali.
STPM 2021 yang lalu adalah satu usaha dan kebanggaan buat seluruh warga pendidik. Dengan ini, majlis dengan sekecutinya menjemput yang berusaha Tuan Rashid bin Abdul Rahman, pegawai pendidik.